Hello everyone and welcome back to Tricks to Code. Here we will get started with another video of JavaScript. If you are new to this channel, you can refer to our previous videos. Open the editor, save it as condition.html. Today we will learn the conditions in JavaScript. For that, let me write the HTML first. Then inside we are going to insert the script tag. Yes. So in every programming language there are conditions, and that is represented by if. If something is true, then it goes under this bracket. If not, it will not go inside the bracket, it will just come out of the bracket. Here we can write the else statement or we can skip it. It will depends upon our necessity of what we want to do on that. So if I will give here a condition, let's say there is a variable x equals to 0. I will write here if x equals to 0, then print, that is document dot write hello, else write document dot write by. Save it. As here the x value is 0, it should be equals to 0. So here we are assigning the 0 value to the variable x, but inside the condition the equals to sign is checking whether x is equals to 0 or not. If yes, then this statement will be printed, otherwise this statement will be printed. Let's see what it is printing. Save it and open in a browser, and here we go. See, hello is printed because the if condition satisfies here. X value equals to 0. If I will change it to 5, then this condition will fail, so that it will go to the else condition, that is this statement will be printed. 7 refresh. See, by is printed here. You can do some experiments with if and else condition. If I will write nothing but 1, then it will always represent true. So no need of this variable, just if 1 means it is always true. See, hello will be printed. Hello. If you want to give a false statement, I can write 0 or false. Save, then by will be printed. Okay, that's it for this video.